By the end of this video, you will know how to do another W-2 form on TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return you want to work on. Once the return loads, go to the Federal section, then open Income. In the Income list, find Wages and Salaries marked as W-2 and select Review. This takes you into the area where your wage forms are stored and updated. When you arrive at the W-2 summary page, take a moment to look over the forms that are already listed. This page shows the W-2 entries that are currently attached to your return. If you need to add wages from another employer, select Add another W-2 to create a new entry. Make sure you are adding a separate employer form here rather than editing one that is already on the summary page. Next, enter the employer information. TurboTax may ask for the employer identification number first. You can type the EIN if you have it available, or leave that field blank if you are entering the form manually, then click Continue. On the following screens, enter the employer name, address, and any other required details exactly as they appear on the W-2. Accuracy matters here because this information connects the wage entry to the correct employer record in your return. After that, move through the W-2 details section and enter the information from the form itself. Include your wages and the taxes withheld exactly as shown. If your W-2 includes Box 12 items, enter each code and amount in the matching fields. If Box 13 has any boxes selected on the paper form, make those same selections in TurboTax. If there is information in Box 14, enter it as listed. Then complete any state and local tax information that applies to that W-2. The main goal in this section is to match the paper form line for line without changing abbreviations, amounts, or box selections. Once every field has been entered, review the full W-2 carefully before saving it. Compare the employer details, wages, withholding amounts, and any special boxes against the form in front of you. If anything does not match, correct it before moving on. When everything is accurate, click Continue to save the new W-2 to your return. After saving, return to the W-2 summary page. Look through the list and confirm that the additional W-2 now appears with your other W-2 forms. This is the check that confirms TurboTax stored the new entry in the return. From there, you can repeat the same process if you have more than one additional W-2 to add, or move forward to the remaining sections of your tax return. Your additional W-2 is now entered in TurboTax and listed on the W-2 summary page.